Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a couple of clipping plugins that I've been using lately. Let's listen to what we have for this demonstration. We're going to start off with Kazarog K-Clip 3. I'm going to enable Spectrum. So first I'm going to set my master controls. I'm going to set my threshold to -3 and I'm going to increase my dry and wet rate to about 10% and will enable 4-band clipper process. I will use smooth for the first 2 bands. We'll set them to around 4% and we'll use shape for the higher mids. We'll set that to about 7% and for the highs we're going to use the tube for about 7%. And let's listen to it. Before, after, the second one I would like to show you is the classic clipper by T-Rex. As you can see, the controls are very simple. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to set my slope to about -4 and will increase my input gain to +1.5. And we're ready to listen to it. Here's before. After.